Creating stunning videos for success involves a combination of creativity, technical skills, and strategic planning. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, social media, marketing campaigns, or any other purpose, here are the steps to help you create visually appealing and successful videos. 1. Define your goals. Start by understanding the purpose of your video. Are you trying to inform, entertain, educate, or promote a product service? Define your target audience and what you want them to take away from your video. 2. Plan your content. Create a clear and engaging script or outline for your video. Storyboarding can help visualize the flow. Ensure your content is relevant, valuable, and concise. Respect your viewers' time. 3. Choose the right equipment. Invest in a good quality camera, microphone, and lighting equipment. However, you can start with what you have and upgrade gradually. 4. Set up your shooting environment. Find a well-lit, quiet, and clutter-free location for shooting. Pay attention to background elements, as they can affect the overall look and feel of your video. 5. Master video shooting techniques. Learn the basics of composition, framing, and camera angles to make your shots visually appealing. Use stabilization tools or techniques to avoid shaky footage. 6. Audio quality matters. Clear audio is crucial. Use an external microphone to capture better sound quality. Eliminate background noise during recording. 7. Lighting is key. Use natural light whenever possible or invest in softbox lights to create even and flattering lighting. Avoid harsh shadows and overexposure. 8. Edit your video. Use video editing software, for example, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, iMovie, to edit your footage. Cut out unnecessary parts, add transitions, graphics, and text overlays as needed. Pay attention to pacing. Keep your video engaging and concise. 9. Add music and sound effects. Use royalty-free music and sound effects to enhance the mood and engagement of your video. Ensure the audio levels are balanced and the music doesn't overpower your narration or dialogue. 10. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Design compelling thumbnails that represent your video's content and entice viewers to click. Use clear, high-resolution images and readable text. 11. Optimize for SEO. If you're uploading your video to platforms like YouTube, optimize your video title, description, and tags with relevant keywords. Use an attention-grabbing video thumbnail. 12. Engage with your audience. Encourage likes, comments, and subscriptions in your video and description. Respond to viewer comments and build a community around your content. 13. Promote your video. Share your video on social media, in relevant online communities, and through email newsletters. Collaborate with other content creators or influencers in your niche for cross-promotion. 14. Analyze and improve. Monitor video analytics to understand viewer behavior and engagement. Use these insights to refine your future video content and strategy. 15. Stay consistent. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Creating stunning videos for success is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning and improvement. Experiment with different styles, formats, and storytelling techniques to find what resonates best with your audience and aligns with your goals. With dedication and creativity, you can create videos that captivate, inform, and inspire your viewers.